Hello, we are of CSE AI first year batch. From Chitkara University, Punjab, we are introducing AI drone project, under superintendent of Dr. Ritu Malhotra. First we talk about problem. Suppose we are taking picture or video. We mostly need someone behind camera or a maybe camera stand, which is not possible for everyone to have such requirement. So we are introducing drone which is designed with high quality camera and smart sensors that clearly focus that the blogger have to take the shot. With the help of sensor, the drone is able to defend itself with the obstacle coming in between the path of it. It is also featured with auto control and controlled by a handset. This is our project design. In their rotable camera slot, thermal camera, sensor are placed in there. We are introducing app which have different type of recording patterns just like using in Instagram Reels. It have auto control system in which drone is free from user control and follow and focus on the person who wear hand controls set. Self-identification and auto defense system is present in this drone. Now we are talking about working. There is controller in the form of glove through which user use their hand to control the direction of drone. Handset have multiple setting, just like pointing anything to focuses by camera or clicking photos and having pause, resume and slow motion settings. User make his/her hand into fist or another way. Hand controller release signal and drone have receiver to receive signals and identify the signal and perform the function. If user want to focuses on vlogging or recording news, then user can set drone into auto mode, in which drone fly over itself, and thermal camera can be used for security purposes like in forests, hills, etc. In auto mode, drone focuses user and follow them. Auto defense system use sensors to identify obstacles and move in different direction for safety purposes, and also for the user as well while taking a shot. Predefined patterns in the application like circle, triangle, oval, etc., by which user can make videos more attractive and in a perfect manner. Face recognition and unique ID will help to identify actual owner. We can say it's self-identification system. Meet our crew. This is our budget list. Revised budget list will be shown later.